As the world's top-selling luxury car brand, it's no surprise that Jaguar Land Rover is always looking for ways to improve its products. And that's exactly what they've done with the new Land Rover Range Rover. They've got it scored 5-star ratings at the Euro NCAP crash test. Not only is the Land Rover Range Rover incredibly safe, but it's also incredibly stylish. So if you're in the market for a luxurious car, be sure to check out the new Land Rover Range Rover. It's sure to hit all of your requirements. Euro NCAP performs a series of crash and safety tests on car models. A frontal impact test. 50% of the width of the car is striking an oncoming deformable barrier, also traveling at 50 km per hour. A frontal impact test. The car impacts a rigid full-width barrier. A side impact test. A mobile deformable barrier impacts the driver's door. A pull test. The tested car is propelled sideways into a rigid pull. A series of pedestrian tests are conducted with different impact. Adult and child head form, lower and upper leg form, and whiplash tests are performed on a sled, as well as AEB pedestrian and cyclist tests. Active safety is tested based on the car's equipment. Autonomous emergency braking, car-to-car scenarios. Occupant status monitoring, including seatbelt reminders, lane support, and speed assistance technology. If you liked the video, please subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.